A look at the standout performances from the Federation Cup. This is of the first 2 days. Maharashtra's Pranav stunned the field to win his first ever national gold in the men's 100 meters with a lifetime best of 10.27 seconds. He narrowly missed the Asian qualification mark by just 0.02 seconds. Animesh Kujur won silver with 10.32 seconds, while Manikanta Holdar claimed bronze with 10.35 seconds. Interestingly, national record holder Gurinder Veer Singh had a disappointing outing, finishing last with 11.21 seconds. Sachin Yadav secured gold in the men's javelin throw with a massive effort of 83.86 meters, breaching the Asian qualification mark but missing the World Championship mark by 1.64 meters. Yashveer, making a comeback from injury, won silver with 80.85 meters, while Sahil Silwal took bronze at 77.84 meters. Notably, out of 16 participants and 7 throwers with 80 meters plus personal bests, only 2 managed to cross the 80-meter mark in this competition. Tamil Nadu's David P. shocked the star-studded lineup to win gold with a leap of 7.94 meters, beating Reliance's Jeswin Aldrin and seasoned jumper Anis Yaya. India's teenage sensation Dev Meena bettered his own national record in pole vault by clearing 5.35 meters. Remarkably, he began at 5 meters and took only 6 attempts to cross the new national record height, which he cleared on his first attempt. He later stopped due to rain and a slippery pole, prioritizing safety. Sarvesh Kushare won gold in the men's high jump with a leap of 2.26 meters, securing his Asian Championships berth. He attempted 2.30 meters for a national record but fell short. After the event, he told NNI Sports he is confident of clearing that height soon. India's 100 meters hurdles record holder Jyoti Yaraji clocked 13.23 seconds to win gold and secure her berth for the 2025 Asian Athletics Championships. Though the time was below her usual standards, she revealed she hadn't trained for 3 weeks due to hamstring cramps. Despite that, she pulled off a solid win. She'll now look to defend her Asian title in the 100-meter hurdles after winning gold and silver in 200 meters in the previous edition. Rupal Chaudhary clocked 52.55 seconds to win gold and breach the Asian Championships mark. This season marks a comeback for her after 2 tough years, first recovering from injury and then missing out on Paris Olympics despite competing at the World Relays. Vidya Ramraj also made the cut with 52.81 seconds to win silver. 6 of the 8 finalists breached the Asian qualification mark. Tamil Nadu's Vishal TK ran a lifetime best of 46.19 seconds to win gold in the men's 400 meters. Jay Kumar and Manu TS took silver and bronze respectively. It was encouraging to see all 3 medalists dipping under 47 seconds. Beyond the Asian Athletics qualification, these 400-meter results are crucial as the Athletics Federation of India will use them to form the Indian 4x400 meters relay teams, men's, women's and mixed, for the World Relays on May the 10th, a key qualification event for World Athletics Championships of 2025. The AFI is likely to field India A, B and possibly C teams, which will compete against each other at the Indian Athletics National Open Relay Carnival on April the 30th in Chandigarh.